The Banana Bread Within, a soft-baked meditation. Take a slow breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw unclench. Let your brain stop doing that thing where it replays an embarrassing moment from 3 years ago. You are safe. You are here. Now, imagine yourself as a banana. Not a green banana, not even a yellow one. You are a spotted, freckled, borderline mushy banana. A banana so ripe your skin sighs every time someone looks in your direction. You're not past your prime, you are the prime. The kind of banana people look at and say, I should bake with this. And that's exactly what's happening. You are placed gently on a counter. The light is warm. Someone peels you slowly, like they respect your journey. You collapse into a bowl, and that's okay. Life is about collapsing sometimes. A fork mashes you softly, rhythmically. You let go of your solid form. You embrace the mush. There's butter in the bowl now with you. Melted, smooth, like a buttery hug. Brown sugar arrives, sticky and sweet, like emotional baggage, but in a fun way. Eggs, vanilla, cinnamon. You're not just a banana anymore. You're becoming more than yourself. You're part of something greater, something cakey. Now flour enters the picture. You feel a little dry, a little overwhelmed, but it's okay. Moisture returns in the form of a dollop of yogurt, or maybe a splash of oat milk because you're plant-based now. You're evolving. You're poured into a loaf pan. It's snug, secure. You think, is this it? But no. The oven awaits you. Now feel the heat surround you. Not the kind from an awkward email. Not the heat of summer with no AC. This is oven heat. Transformative heat. The kind of heat that turns you from a questionably textured fruit into someone's emotional support snack. You rise, golden, glorious. The air around you smells like nostalgia, hugs, and brunch with someone who compliments your socks. You're fluffy, you're sweet. Your edges are a little sticky and your center is warm and soft. You are banana bread. And not just any banana bread. You are the banana bread. The one people talk about. The one that gets wrapped in foil and secretly eaten over the sink at midnight. You are comfort. You are joy. You are completely valid even with walnuts. Now take a deep breath in. Let it out slowly. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Return to your human form, but keep the softness. Keep the sweetness. And maybe, if it feels right, go make some banana bread. Namaste, you delicious loaf.